Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Rock With You, as recorded by Michael Jackson from his album Off the Wall, released in 1979. This song is written by the legendary Rod Temperton and is produced by the equally legendary Quincy Jones. The track is in E-flat minor. There are a number of keyboard parts, including strings, but for a small function band, I would concentrate on the rich sound created by the Fender Rhodes. On the recording, the electric piano is played by David Hawk Walensky, at least I believe he's credited with it. And yeah, as mentioned on other videos, this is not a transcript of the keyboard parts, but just a guide to help you quickly get through it with a function band. The song arrangement and basic chord sheet should be in the description box below. Let's run the track.